How to use the Crow's Nest Excel add-in and the Crow's Nest Excel add-in workbook to import data into your Crow's Nest database. If you do not have the Crow's Nest Excel add-in or the Crow's Nest Excel add-in workbook, you can download them from crowsnestsoftware.com/downloads. Once you've ran the add-in, you will see a Crow's Nest tab in your Excel, and you can open up the import template and go to the tab of the data you'd like to import. In this case it's parts, and I have a list of some parts that I would like to bring in. I'm going to type in my server and the database name of my Crow's Nest database. If you do not know this information, you can look in Crow's Nest when you're logged in the bottom left corner you'll see the server and the database. We'll go ahead and put that in. After entering in the server and the database, I can go ahead and click Export to Crow's Nest. This window popped up showing me that these 5 parts were imported and I had no issues with the import. Go ahead and close. Now if I open up Crow's Nest, you can see that these parts have now been entered in and they've created this new category, countertop install, and here are the parts.